Okay, so welcome to this video tutorial in which we are going to look at how we can download and install Active Presenter into our laptops. So to begin that, what you need to do is to open the Luana website. As you can see here, I've opened the Luana website. So from here, you go to where it says Moodle on top here. So you click on this button, then it will take you to this page which says welcome to Luana e-learning platform, and then it has a list of campuses. So from here, what you do is to scroll at the bottom here where it says user technical support. So on user technical support, you select where it says staff. So when you click here, the system will take you to this page. So on this page, you then scroll down where it says recording using Active Presenter. So as you can see here, there are a couple of links below this heading. We have the download link, we have the software installation, and then we have the recording link. So what you do here is to click where it says download link. So the system will then take you to this page, which is the official page for Active Presenter. Now on this page, what you do is to scroll down, and then you will find that there are different setups for different operating systems. So you download according to the operating system that we are using. So here we have Windows, and then on the other side we have a Mac OS. So currently I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this one, Active Presenter 8.3, which is for Windows. The other versions here are the previous versions, so always you are always encouraged to get the latest version, since it's the one that comes with more advanced features. So I'm going to click here where it says download, then I'll click on save. So depending on your browser, you note that the download process will be a bit different. Okay, so for some browser like mine, it shows that it shows the downloading process on top here. For some, it will show on the bottom here. So the setup has finished downloading. So what I can do here is go and open the setup. So here is my setup, Active Presenter. So what I'm going to do is double click on the setup, so that now I begin the actual installation of Active Presenter. Then here I'll say yes, and here I'll accept the license agreement. So this is a normal process as how you can do an installation of any application in your computer. So the setup is unpacking the files, so need to wait a bit. So it has finished. Then here is the icon, and then it says here launch Active Presenter. So we click on finish. So now I've successfully installed the Active Presenter, and if I go on my dashboard, I have this icon here, which is for Active Presenter. So anytime I would like to launch Active Presenter, I can simply double click on this icon here. So basically that is how you can download and install Active Presenter in your computer. So in the next video, we are going to look at how we can actually now record using this Active Presenter application. Thank you.